Ushweswa Fiti Enra, Fiti on the first, and the Yaman Minusu Atuo. Now, to help fight the Galamsey issue, first of all, when you say excavators are reaching ammonia registration.
Unregistered excavators.
Excavators.
And see, it's very difficult to even trace.
To identify whose excavators.
Yes.
So now I've put in measures. We'll register all excavators at the port, starting on the 1st of May.
Okay.
All excavators at the port will be registered.
And pay for
And before you go in for excavators, they say we'll be G permission. Every Ministry of Transport.
Okay.
Minister, if the minister doesn't give you, you can't. And before you sign a memorandum of understanding, say you register the excavators at the port.
Okay.
Whether you are coming to sell it or you are coming to work with it, everybody will be law abiding on that. Other than that, the custom will not release the excavators to you.
Sure.
Yes, that's the agreement we've had.
I think it's a good initiative.
I think they are maybe I friend with DP sticker. Only DP plates, no. DP, DVLA, DP, drive from ports.
Drive from ports, okay.
DP plates, no. We call him, we say, 50 years back, when we check reports, no. We say, every year we issue 1,008, 1,009 pieces. But what's the customs, sir? Customs release about 5,000 to 6,000 cars on monthly basis.
Hey.
And to be say, sir, plate now, I can't when you are. And to me call portal, echo changing your man, echo changing, echo threatening no more. That's the word I'll use. Not threatening to kill, but threatening to do
exactly to do the right thing.
There's the march reported by 5,000 plates.
From 1,000 to 5,000.
No, to 5,000.
To 5,000. That's huge.
It tells you, say, will be area about 3,000 to 4,000 plates on monthly basis from Mother Ghana. And I will not sit down for that to happen. And today there were 12 companies that are distribution.
Okay.
I cancelled all of them. And through 24-hour economy, so our staff now are issuing the plates at the port, not a private individual.
Okay, I think
so.
It's good.
Ghanaians, our staff are now issuing it. They started issuing. Do you know the first report about how many plates they issued? More than 6,000.
Wow.
More than 6,000. So something good is happening in Ghana.
Yeah.
And then you start seeing the sticker. The sticker too, you know the plates, there's no date
expired.
Yeah. But the sticker has expiring date on it.
Okay.